Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring the easiest vegetables to grow during winter. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. Spinach. Spinach is one of the easiest vegetables to grow in winter, making it perfect for beginner gardeners. It grows quickly, handles cold temperatures well, and requires very little maintenance. Most spinach varieties are ready to harvest in about 30 to 45 days, with baby leaves available even sooner. Spinach thrives in cool weather and prefers temperatures between 35 degrees Fahrenheit and 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Cold conditions slow bolting, which keeps the leaves tender and less bitter compared to summer-grown spinach. Light frosts won't harm the plant and can even improve its flavor. In USDA zones 7 through 10, spinach can be planted directly during winter. In colder zones, it's usually planted in late fall and protected with mulch or row covers to continue growing through winter. Keep the soil lightly moist and well-drained, as spinach doesn't like soggy conditions. Harvest outer leaves regularly to encourage continuous growth throughout the season. Kale. Kale is one of the toughest and most cold-hardy vegetables you can grow, making it an excellent choice for winter gardens. It grows steadily in cool weather and can tolerate frost better than most leafy greens. Many kale varieties are ready to harvest in about 50 to 60 days, with younger leaves available earlier. Kale thrives in temperatures between 30 degrees Fahrenheit and 60 degrees Fahrenheit and often becomes sweeter after exposure to frost. Cold weather slows growth but improves flavor, which is why winter-grown kale is highly prized. In USDA zones 7 through 10, kale can be planted during winter. In cooler zones, it is usually planted in fall and harvested through winter with proper protection. Winter care for kale is simple. Keep the soil evenly moist but well-draining and apply mulch to protect the roots during cold nights. Kale benefits from regular harvesting. Pick the lower leaves first to allow the plant to keep producing throughout the season. Lettuce. Lettuce is one of the easiest leafy greens to grow in winter, especially in mild climates. It grows quickly, stays compact, and is ideal for raised beds, containers, or small garden spaces. Most lettuce varieties are ready to harvest in about 30 to 45 days, with baby leaves available even sooner. Lettuce thrives in cool temperatures between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Winter weather helps prevent bolting, which keeps the leaves crisp and mild instead of bitter. In USDA zones 8 through 10, lettuce can be planted directly during winter. In zones 6 and 7, it grows well with light protection such as mulch or row covers. Winter care for lettuce is simple. Keep the soil evenly moist but not soggy, and make sure it drains well. Lettuce prefers full sun during winter but can tolerate partial shade. Harvest outer leaves regularly or cut the plant a few inches above the soil to encourage regrowth throughout the season. Carrots. Carrots are a popular winter vegetable because they grow well in cool soil and become sweeter in cold weather. While they take longer than leafy greens, they are very reliable and worth the wait. Most carrot varieties are ready to harvest in about 60 to 80 days, depending on the type and growing conditions. Carrots thrive in temperatures between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Cold weather slows growth but improves flavor by increasing natural sugars in the roots. In USDA zones 7 through 10, carrots can be planted directly during winter. In colder zones, they are usually planted in late fall and harvested through winter, with mulch to protect the soil. Winter care for carrots is simple, but soil preparation is important. Use loose, stone-free, well-draining soil to allow straight root growth. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Mulching helps maintain even soil temperature and prevents the ground from freezing too hard, allowing carrots to continue developing underground. Radishes. Radishes are one of the fastest growing and most mistake-proof vegetables you can grow in winter. Many varieties are ready to harvest in just 25 to 35 days, making them ideal for beginner gardeners who want quick results. Radishes thrive in cool temperatures between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Cold weather keeps them crisp and mild, while hot conditions cause them to become spicy and woody. In USDA zones 7 through 10, radishes can be planted directly during winter. In zones 6 and below, they are commonly planted in fall and grown with light protection. Winter care for radishes is minimal. Keep the soil evenly moist and well-drained to prevent cracking. Harvest promptly once they mature, as leaving them in the ground too long can affect texture. Radishes are perfect for filling empty garden spaces during winter and can be grown in beds or containers. Garlic. Garlic is one of the most dependable crops for winter growing and is considered a long-term investment in the garden. Unlike other vegetables, garlic is planted in late fall or early winter and harvested the following summer, taking about 8 to 9 months to mature. Garlic thrives in cold climates because it requires a period of cold exposure to properly form bulbs. It grows best in temperatures between 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 50 degrees Fahrenheit during early growth. Garlic can be planted in USDA zones 3 through 9, making it one of the most widely adaptable winter crops. Winter care for garlic is very simple. After planting, cover the soil with a thick layer of mulch to protect the cloves from extreme temperature swings. Garlic requires minimal watering during winter and resumes active growth in spring. Green onions, scallions. Green onions are one of the easiest and most forgiving vegetables you can grow in winter, making them perfect for beginners. They grow quickly, take up very little space, and tolerate cold temperatures better than most onion varieties. Many green onions are ready to harvest in about 30 to 60 days, and you can harvest them at almost any stage. Green onions thrive in cool weather and prefer temperatures between 35 degrees Fahrenheit and 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Cold conditions slow growth slightly but do not harm the plant. In USDA zones 6 through 10, green onions can be planted during winter. In colder zones, they are often planted in fall and continue growing through winter with mulch or light protection. Winter care for green onions is very simple. Keep the soil evenly moist but well-draining and avoid overwatering in cold conditions. Mulching helps protect the roots from temperature swings. You can harvest by pulling the whole plant or cutting the greens and allowing them to regrow, making green onions a reliable winter crop. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the easiest vegetables to grow during winter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!